everybody. I think this has to be one of the favorite engines out there for everybody. This is our little 347. This happens to be the 400 edition, making well over 400 horsepower and over 440 foot-pounds of torque. Phenomenal little piece. Each and every engine that leaves here has been custom built to order. So you may see them in blue, black, red, green, whatever color the customer had in mind when he wanted me to build his engine. We go through an extensive amount of testing here, so we know what it takes to put the proper engine together. If you want something built by us, give us a call, so we'll be happy to put something together. Thank you and enjoy the video. Okay, Bill, we got your 65 Ford Fastback Mustang engine here. It's a 347 with an alternator only. It came out gorgeous. The alternator's going on this morning. We just got done dynoing it. I think you'll be impressed with the horsepower for your 400 horsepower package. I believe we're making somewhere around 440 something. Fires right up. Matt's got you all set up nice. We got your idle set up. Look at that. Your idle set up somewhere between 750 and 800.
Yeah, there you go.
Yep. Got beautiful oil pressure. Everything's set up nice.